We just got done with this fabulous build for our buddy Devin. We're gonna do a quick walk around and show you guys what we did. All right, let's start up at the front. So we did a DRT front bumper on it. On that front bumper, we have Baja Designs XL80s and Squadron Pros. So he has the Squadron Pros there, so if he's running through camp or something and one's a little bit of light, but when he needs all his light, he can take off the covers and run the XL80s. It's got a Factor 55 clevis with a DRT Fairlead on it. And if you see these marker lights, we had these custom made by Lit Industries, just something that's a little bit more sleek and a super bright marker light on there. So behind the grill, we have a DRT front mesh, or behind the bumper, a DRT front mesh grill, powder coated. It might be hard to tell in the video, but all the mesh stuff is powder coated a dark gray, and then all the other stuff is black. So it just gives it a nice sleek look, and we actually re-powder coated all the bumpers to get rid of the crinkle coat and did smooth powder coating on them. Down below, we got a full boxed HCR mid-travel kit, Demon axles, shock therapy springs, and shock therapy ride improvement system, so he doesn't have to worry about the ride at all. It's gonna be a comfortable ride for him in whatever terrain he is in. We also did the shock therapy, shock therapy sway bar links and a Super ATV upgraded tie rod kit on there. So it's all the best of the best HD stuff that it has. While we're down here, if we can get it, there's a Lit Industries lights. This is their new rock light. We're actually using them as dome lights also. So we'll light those up for you guys and show you those. For tires, we did 33-inch Nitto Trail Grappler, the side-by-side specific tire. Paired it with some Price Designs 3-piece wheels, custom powder coated to match everything else also. More Baja Designs Squadrons on the factory mirrors. We found this is just a perfect location to get you a little bit of side, some ditch lights, as you might say. Just, again, a little extra light when you need it. Tinted windows all the way around. We actually chose to go with the factory Polaris. This is their low pro rock slider. So it's super, super durable, but doesn't hang out. It's not gonna get caught up on anything, but you're not gonna have to worry about hitting it on the rocks or anything like that. Middle of the car, we have the DRT mesh covers here. Again, powder coated black and gray, paired with some Viper machine whip mounts. As you guys know, if you have one of these cars, it's really hard to get a good whip mount for it. There's not a lot of spots to clamp onto. So these are super sturdy. It's a nice clean look. Should work out perfect for Devin out there at the dunes this weekend, actually. On the back, we have the DRT mesh inserts here for their over the fender, all the shock therapy in the back. We did all the RPM silicone tubes. So it's got silicone tubes on this side and on the other side for clutch and air intake. Again, sway bar links from shock therapy, all the shock therapy stuff back here. We did an electric off-road rear bumper. This is absolutely one of our favorite bumpers, especially for your ADV guys. It's just a super clean bumper. Have the spot for the license plate right here. It's nice and tucked in tight. So absolutely love that rear bumper. RPM exhaust down there for them. Lit Industries chase bar here. Again, this is a custom chase bar that they built for us. It's amber and yellow only. So he doesn't have to worry about running a blue light or red light out at the dunes and getting in trouble. So it's amber yellow only. This is where it really gets cool. So in the back, we have an AJK bed slide tray. We paired that with a Dometic refrigerator. So this is powered. You don't need to ice or anything. And we actually had this weekend testing it down to 28 degrees. It was perfect. And a Roam storage cooler. So when he needs access to that, just pulls it out, has access to his cooler in here, and then the refrigerator there. So it's a really, really cool setup. It's kind of nice, like you said, don't have to worry about ice or anything. And the Dometics really don't take a lot of power, so it's a nice perfect setup for that. And then as you'll see, once we get to the interior, we did Blades custom decking all the way around, inside and tailgate and in the bed and everything. Inside in the back in the rear seats here, so this is more of the Blades custom decking. We got the DRT billet handles inside. We did XXX seats, so they recovered our rear seat to match the front seats. And we did a Blades custom decking full mat with our logo in the footrest. There's a little bit more decking on the dash, but one of the coolest parts is these front seats from XXX. They are ventilated and they're heated. So when it's hot out, you hit that ventilation and it blows cool air over you. And when it's cold out, you hit that heated and you're really, really comfortable inside. I'll go around to the other side and I'll show you some stuff on the dash. So inside here, we did a full PCI system. So it has a Kenwood radio with the PCI intercom. Full big UTV stereo system, so it's got a bass knob here, new subwoofer here, new speakers all the way around, tweeters, and some cannons in the back. Viper machine billet shifter, the DRT grab handle. We added an MTS, a whole Pro R steering wheel with an MTS Switch Pro switch plate and the Switch Pros here. Oh, cool thing, suede headliner on the inside here, factory Polaris visors, the Lit Industries dome light. Little tricky thing here that we'll show you also is this does have power door locks and remote start, which is really, really cool function for these. So really decked out the interior for Devin. This was one of the most fun builds that we've had. It really came together super, super clean. We've taken it to a show already and got a ton of great feedback on it. So Devin, thank you very much for letting us build this for you. It was exciting. We hope you love it.